Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and today I want to talk about and review the Gisou leave-in conditioner. As you can see from the first video, I took a shower, I came out, dried my hair a little bit. I think that just a teeny bit because it got really wet. Then I applied the Gisou leave-in conditioner and it made my hair, I saw like my hair looks so good, and I went ahead and put the leave-in conditioner, and then I put in the Gisou honey infused hair oil, which I always use and love dearly. I use it every day when my hair is just dry, but it really makes my hair very like manageable, curly, and as you can see from that video, my hair was looking so beautiful, really curly and just beautiful. I was really happy, and now the video that I'm showing you now is from earlier today before this video. I went ahead and took off my hair clip, my scrunchie, excuse me, and silk, by the way, silk scrunchie, and just, you know, did a little maintenance check on my hair, and it looks and feels amazing and manageable, which is like a huge thing for me because I have curly hair. But I have issues with split ends and getting knots in the end of my hair, but this has made things so much easier for me in my life. And I know I raved about the Ouai, O-U-A-I brand. That is a wonderful brand too. Again, it's just, you know, preference of what you like, but I like Gisou because it's honey infused and they're from the Netherlands, and I believe the girl that owns this, I forgot her name, forgive me, she uses like bee honey. I could be wrong. If you watch this, please correct me, but I just like the, you know, the ingredients in this, and yeah, made in the Netherlands, manufactured by NM Beauty Industries. I love it. I like it, and it really helped my hair so much. And like I mentioned in previous videos, my hair is, you know, I want it to be manageable. I want to be able to put up my hair in a bun and move forward, and my hair is just looking amazing with these products. The leave-in conditioner is a game changer for me on my day-to-day routine when I get out of the shower, because I care about my hair, and sometimes I cut the ends of my hair because I have split ends, but my hair is just looking so beautiful. And again, you know, I'm all about that naturalness, and from what I'm seeing on the ingredient list, it's saying on the end that it's made of 100% natural ingredients, which is huge for me. Growing up, my hair has been, it had to, you know, I would say it hasn't been easy with my hair journey, but I've been taking care of my hair. I've been leaving my hair alone, letting it grow naturally, not adding, you know, dyeing your hair and all that. I don't do that. I try to leave my hair alone. I cut split ends, and I've been on the lookout for something that could help my hair, because I said, why can't my hair be manageable? Why is my hair dry? Why is it cracking in the end? Like, I was so fed up. I was like, what is out there? I'm a fan of this, and it has really helped my hair. I mean, before the leave-in conditioner, I've been using this, and again, I raved about it and I really like it, and this just makes things so much better, and I really recommend it. It says here it's for all hair types. I do recommend it. It is amazing, and from what I'm seeing on the website, this leave-in conditioner is sold out. So yeah, it's sold out, and that's how good it is. I'm curious now to try their heat protector, because from what I'm seeing, the heat protecting spray goes up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, and I need it, okay? Because I do straighten my hair. I just haven't had the time, but I do use heat up to 400, which is probably why I've been experiencing breakage, but I barely straighten my hair. So again, I'm eyeing that heat spray and it's getting rave reviews. This is just a quick talk about how I'm just loving these products. My hair looks amazing. I really like it. It looks really good. And my hair yesterday when I was at work, it was curly in the end. I was so happy. Again, if you have my hair type, I recommend getting this. It is amazing. And my hair is just looking amazing. I keep saying amazing because it is. And I mean, it's just shiny. It's looking great. I'm loving it. So again, this is a quick video. I love these products from Gisou. Also, I wanted to tell you guys about the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Quick and Easy. I used it today. When I used it, this was the easiest application I've ever used. I've used other brands and it was just a struggle sometimes, because sometimes I would have like glitter and it wouldn't budge. It would be difficult. I think you guys know what other ones I've used, but this takes the cake. And look how super fine it is. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Look how fine it is compared to, I'm gonna do it's just been easy for me. Like the application has been just super easy. And when I do like a little cat edge right here, it's been very hard using the other ones I've been using, but this one made it easy and it's super fine, which really helps. I just wanted to go on here right quick and rave about it. It is worth it. It is worth it. It is worth the price. When I went to Sephora, there's only like 2 left. You guys, I'm using her brow product. I'm using the Mercury Retrograde palette. Like, I'm a huge Huda fan. I'm very impressed with her stuff. And I also saw the Wilds palette, and I think the Jaguar one, I went and swatched it. I was about to faint. I was like, the pigmentation is out of this world. It is so gorgeous. I may get it, but I'm looking at the kitty cat one she has on her website. But I just wanted to get on here right quick. I know we're talking about hair, but this pen rules. This is so good. If you're looking for like a liquid eyeliner, this is the one. Okay, I've used, you guys know my routine. I've been using some from brands, and it's not bad. It's great, but applying it's just been hard. I would have to reapply because either glitter was in the way. This has glitter and it went on easily. I'm not going to tell you again. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.